Today we're going to continue our investigation of the sum of the interior angles of polygons. So today I'm going to suggest that you use the polygon tool. So I'm going to select the polygon tool and I'm going to click one. That's one side, two, three, four, and five sides. So a very nice looking five-sided polygon. Again, using the move tool, I can move around these vertice labels a little bit if they're in my way and I need to be able to see things better. But I can definitely move them around. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to measure the angles, all of the interior angles of this polygon. And what's nice is if you actually do have a polygon constructed, when you grab the angle tool, you can just click on the polygon itself and it'll go through and measure all of the angles simultaneously. And you can see that it's measuring them with these Greek letters alpha, beta, etc., right, all the way around. The reason why that's nice is because in addition to getting this image where you can, move these around and see, you can see all of these angles. I want you to be able to figure out what the sum of the angles is automatically, right? Just when I change these, I want to be able to track the sum of these angles without having to grab a calculator each time and add them up like we did yesterday. So what you can do is on the input bar right here, as soon as you click that, there is a Greek letter option. And you can see that selected. So I've got my numbers, my functions, the alphabet, and then the Greek letters. And you can see I'm going to just go ahead and hit these and I'm going to grab the sum of them. So I'm typing a formula here. So this is going to equal, and I'm just going to go alpha plus, yep, plus, where's it at there? Plus, and then plus. Right, and that's all of them. So when I press enter, you can see that it's come up with the sum, and it says the sum is 540. And what's nice about that is I can bring that out onto the screen, and as I move these around now, you can see it's always equaling 540. And this is actually tracking this, and if for some reason you were to break it, so for example, I could pull this across through the other side, and you can see it just broke it because now it's totally different. Now it went to 1260. Remember, we're talking about convex polygons, right? Not even concave ones. So convex polygons where we don't have a point where this crashes in on itself like this. Although that does have a sum of 540, we're going to keep them without the cave-in. So what you need to do today is grab, for example, this is the pentagon. In the pentagon, you could grab this image, right? You could screenshot this, put it into your document, but then come up with one that's different looking so that we can see, oh, here's a different set of angles. The angles are now different in size, and yet it's still producing a sum of 540. If you want to, you can adjust things like the colors, the text of the shape. So if I click this polygon, I can come up here and I can say, oh, I want it to be green, and you can change the intensity of the color that's on it. So um, you can change the vertices colors, the size of the points, and you can also come in and change the size of this text if it seems too large for you. I think this is a nice size, but you're going to just screenshot this on your Chromebooks and then post it into your document and submit that. Thank you very much.